This is how to run and make WhatsApp posts using WhatsApp channel and WhatsApp group. Doing posts on WhatsApp will help you do effective market research. It helps you to know who qualifies for certain products or the other. It helps you make effective decisions as regards your products and services. And lastly, it helps you to collect data in a legal way for you to create and make posts on any WhatsApp group. I will use this group for my demonstration. I will select this group. For me to create poll in this group, I will tap this link symbol. You tap it. You see poll. You tap it. You can see create poll. You input the question and you provide the options. You can give up to 12 options that people will choose from. So to add more, you just tap add. Let me put here swap box. You have option for people to choose multiple answers, and you can also constrain them. That is to force them to choose only one option when you are doing poll. When you are okay, you just tap send. You can see you sent it to this group. So all members of this group can select any of their option. They just tap I've selected here TM. So this is how to create and make posts on WhatsApp group. You also need to know how to create and do poll using your WhatsApp channel. To locate your WhatsApp channel, you come to update. This is ASKJOFA WhatsApp channel. I will tap this. For you to create poll on your WhatsApp channel, you come to this place, you tap here. You can see poll, you tap poll. All you need to do is to fill in the question and the options. So I fill in the question and the options. For you to select more options, you tap here and you type in the selected options. The good thing about creating polls in WhatsApp channel, you can easily add image of your products or services. All you need to do is to select here. You select this place. For instance, let's select this product and you tap here. You can see the rule is that anytime you add images in your poll, you must add images to all the options. Otherwise, it will not work. You have 12 options that you can choose from for your audience. You can also enforce this rule by allowing your audience to select multiple options in your poll, or you restrict them to select just one option. So in this case, let's allow multiple answers. You tap here to execute the poll to send it to the WhatsApp channel. So I will execute by sending to my audience. Any one of them will see this and they can select and choose. Like choose this one now. I can say choose more because I allow multiple options. So this is how to create and make poll on your WhatsApp channel. Thank you. You can now make and run your WhatsApp poll. You will see my complete WhatsApp for Business course. The link is below the description of this video. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like this video, drop your comment, and I promise to get back to you. See you in the next video. Bye for now.